This video is SpinnerChief tutorial. It is a very powerful tool which can rewrite articles in a few minutes. Load the thesaurus firstly. You can choose one of the first 4 thesauruses. Load other thesaurus files. You can load the thesaurus in DAT format. Create a new, empty thesaurus file. Input the creator name or not. Description. Choose language. Category. Anyone can use this thesaurus or need to pay for it. If your thesaurus is not free, you have to set the password here. You can see this software use the thesaurus I created just now. We have a thesaurus exchange system. In the website, click Thesaurus Exchange System. You can find the shared thesaurus. Click Thesaurus or Load. You can re-upload the file. If you use Team version, you can use Team Thesaurus. Create a new Team Thesaurus. Choose Input Thesaurus from where. I choose from File. Input Team. Here I can see the thesaurus I created just now. I choose the Cloud thesaurus to load. Create a new article. Open multiple files. Save article. Export article. You can choose to save or save as on your cloud account. Click here to register an account. You can see all the articles on your account. Even you can share the article. Share the link to other people. You can add a new article or folder. Load the article from your account cloud. Double-click the name. Load the main form. Added successfully. Create a project. Input name. Keywords. Separated by commas. Description. Create articles in the project will be easier to manage many articles. I paste an article. In Edit part, you can edit the article format. Find and replace function. Put the word. Replace word. Change to listening. Tools. Choose which kind of thesaurus do you want to use. Protect words. The software will not spin the protect words. Select words. I added just now. Add links. Input website. You can input the word used to replace. I added just now. Identify synonyms. 1 means will identify all the synonyms. 2 means will identify half synonyms. And so on. This one I will talk later. Select words or phrases. You can check the density, compared to page 1 article in Google. Show or hide the title. Manage CSV file variables. Select to use CSV spin function. Sequential substitution. Choose which column do you need to use. Click Spin. Here you can see the variables. Spin tree. The article has been divided into sentences. You can add phrases or sentences. Now the text has become into spintax format. Next part, spin. Choose jump protected words. SpinnerChief will not spin these words. Those button function. Bad words mean a word that does not have matched synonyms. Select word. Add to bad words. Here you can add other bad words directly. Good words mean a word that has a lot of matched synonyms. Previous word, next word. Select replace. The original word will be replaced by the synonym. Remove the original words. Insert blank. Input synonym directly, press Enter button. T stands for selecting best synonym. B stands for selecting better synonym. G stands for selecting good synonym. A stands for selecting all synonym under thesaurus. We go back to show how the super replace works. Click Enable to make the function begins to work. Use listen as an example. I choose to use better synonyms. Now I click another listen. The words now will be in bold. The software has recognized that we have selected the synonym for this same word before. You can see the synonym here. S replace means super replace. Replace same and bold words in the article. Same format as the previous word. Replace all same words in the article. All listen in the article has been in the spun format. This is thesaurus symbol. Favorite synonym. Choose which word you think is the best synonym. Click the Start button to add to favorite. You can see the favorite words here. Add a new favorite synonym. Add a new category. When you add a new synonym, click Save to Thesaurus. Spin phrases. Select the best synonym. Favorite rule. This sentence is an example. All the synonyms of mouse. The same synonyms for the same word. I should use rodent. Click rule. Those words are surrounding by mouse. The key words are eating and cheese. Select those two words. Click add. Here I choose to use my favorite rule. Here you can see the rodent has been in the first place. This is how favorite rule works. What is the negative word? Take people as an example. Citizen is an inappropriate synonym. Click this button to delete. This is a negative word in SpinnerChief. Super spin. You can choose to spin the article to unique or readable to which extent. Choose thesaurus. How many synonyms for words and phrases? Spin A, B and C means shuffle the sentences and paragraphs. Enable sentence spin means to spin the sentence. Check how the sentence spin works. Now the synonyms in red. Articles in SpinTax format. You can generate the new articles based on this spun article. Spin to SpinTax format. Sentence exchange. Means shuffle the sentence. Exchange sentence only within paragraphs. Exchange the sentence by the percentage. Exchange the sentence by the keywords. Use favorite thesaurus. Choose category. The default setting uses the cloud thesaurus. Rotate A, B and C is same meaning as spin A, B and C in super spin. Means shuffle the sentences and paragraphs. Auto-replace words or phrases, or replace to most readable and unique. Whether spin the words in the brackets. Select those settings if needed. Auto-spin frequency. 1 means spin all the words. 2 means spin half of the words. And so on. Spin it. The SpinTax format in red. You can clear this format. Next step, I generate new articles based on the spun articles. Here you can choose spin the content has not spun. Select thesaurus quality. Show the changed words as red. Put the tags do not need to spin. Separated by comma. Mix paragraph. Choose sentences that needed to be mixed to a paragraph. You can change the sentence number. I want to generate 5 articles. The changed words in red. Save the current article or all articles. After you have checked those articles, you can submit the articles to website directly. Fill in the account information. Input the website. Select account. Select articles. If no articles in this column, you can import the article from text file. Input tags. Category. How many tags used in the articles? How many categories used in the articles? All articles submitted to all accounts. You can set schedule publish time. Generate the tasks. Add to the task list. Click Start. Here you can see the task logs. Calculate similarity among spun articles. Set how many same changed words among articles as duplicate. Set the duplicate proportion. The red part means you can choose to revise or delete it. Check the articles by duplicate sniper. Check the articles by copyscape. Export the spun article to file. The first setting means to export all the generated articles to file, based on the spun amount in articles, or export articles in a random number. Save to one file. Input split string, or save to different files. One article to one file. Input the file name. I checked the exported file. This is split string. After you spin the articles, you can preview it, the article in the browser, in raw HTML, in text format. When you click Generate a new article, a different article will appear. Here you can tick those settings. Translator spin. Add a new process. Input a name. Choose original language. Choose the target language. Click OK, start to spin. This is log. You can input another translation software API. Spin many articles in minutes. If you have input the articles under the project file, you can tick this. Generate how many articles for every original article. You can select other options, or keep the default setting. Thesaurus option. Input the file name. Save to same folder or different order. The advanced setting is optional. Here select the file needed to spin. Then select the file path to save the spun articles. Those are the spun articles. Spin the article in a file folder. Select File folder. extract paragraph, extract sentence. You can set sentence delimiter. A paragraph composed of how many articles? How many articles needed to be generated? An article composed of how many paragraphs? Input the keywords that every article must contain if needed. This is the new generated article. List spin. Input content directly, or input from text file. You can see the content in SpinTax format. Preview it. SpinnerChief, choose the random one. Spin together. We'll import all the articles of the file folder. You can see the content in SpinTax format. Preview it. SpinnerChief, choose the random one. Image spin. Add the picture source. Add the alternative picture source if needed. You can load the picture source from text file. Anchor text and link. Input text directly, or import from file. Input the links, or import from file. Rotate A, B and C means shuffle the sentences and paragraphs. If you input the grammar correction API, you can enable grammar correction. I'll talk about how to add API later. Use cloud rule or favorite rule. Other settings. You can export the synonyms to the file. Set the split string. Cause I use the cloud thesaurus, import synonym and manage function is disabled. I choose another thesaurus. Import synonym. Input directly, or import from file. Set the split string. If the synonyms in SpinTax format, select this option. Then import synonyms to the thesaurus. The left side is original words. The right side is synonyms. You can delete the original words after you have modified the thesaurus. Save thesaurus a hard driver. Import negative synonyms. Same operation procedure as import synonyms. Manage the negative synonyms. The left side is original words, the right side is synonyms. You can delete it. If you need to check the articles by Copyscape, add Copyscape API. Other advanced settings. HTML Spin settings. Scrape articles, images, videos, mix scrape function are removed from SpinnerChief. You can use SpinnerChief serial code to log in Content Bomb to use those functions. Excel Spin. Input a CSV file. Select the first row as column name. Choose which column needed to spin. The rows of each column, from start to the end. Save to the file folder. Spin it. Those are newly generated files. Add Grammar Correction API. Get API from this website. Protect the special words and phrases. You can input an article to test. Get articles from RSS feed. Input the RSS address. Refresh it. Add a group. Getting article under the new group. Select one article. Load this article to the main form. Big File Spin. Select File. Or multiple files. Save location. If you have input the Grammar Correction API, enable it. Spin to Spintax format. I choose to spin to a new article. Spin it. Now enter into the Super Spin. This is a big file. Will take a few minutes to spin. Manage Article Submit. Create Tips article. Save articles. Choose a category. Input a tip name to save. Spin to Tips article. New article amount. Set the auto add begin and end paragraph amount is 1. Save all article. Batch compare articles. Click this button to calculate. If you use the team version, manage team members. Team Thesaurus. Get SpinnerChief API in SpinnerChief web interface. Thanks for watching.